Hello Bladers. Welcome to our daily drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. How loud should you play your music while driving? Not all drivers have multitasking skills. Some of them can just focus on one thing. Driving is not an easy task as it requires knowledge, specific skills and great concentration. When listening to loud music, drivers could miss out hearing audio cues around them, such as when Waze is already giving a direction, or sirens and horns, as well as visual signs. Having the radio in a very loud volume can cause problems. One can suffer from temporary hearing issues in most cases. But, in the long run, there can be a complete loss of hearing. When you first start driving on your own, consider driving without music for a while. If you must have music, keep the volume down and make an extra effort to focus on your surroundings. Also, try to stick to music with slower, more relaxed beats. People who listen to songs with faster tempos were more likely to drive recklessly and go through red lights. Do you agree with our list? Or did we miss some of the ideas had in mind? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center. It's Blade, it's better. If you like this video, please share it with your friends on social media. Help us build more subscribers by spreading the word around. Click the round icon to subscribe and one of the videos on the left to watch our next feature. See you again soon.